Hey, welcome to Classic and Performance, and we're at Avi-Ski, Lake Murray, South Carolina, and we want to look at the jet car. And we're with my good buddy Mike here. Give us a little walk around and tell us about the Lamborghini jet car.
An exact replica of a Lamborghini Huracan. These things are made in Turkey. This is probably the only one in the U.S. that's actually been gel coated, not painted. A lot of these cars are painted, very thin fiberglass. This is solid. These are powered by Yamahas. You can necessarily put anything from a 1.9, 1.8, all the way up to a supercharged 250 horse. We can modify that all the way up to 400 horsepower. This price is starting at $60,000, and it goes up from there. Includes trailer, 1-year warranty, Coast Guard certified. Again, right now it's just a bare hull. There's nothing in it. There's no motor in it. There's no nothing, but you can see the quality of the car. It's almost an exact replica. Everything works. It's going to have, you can actually drive it at night. It's going to have an anchor light, navigation lights. It's super cool. I mean, this one's a 2-seater. They are starting to come out with 4-seaters and stuff like that, and they sell them in Florida for about $80K.
So you typically go with the Yamaha drivetrain in here, but you as a buyer and builder can pick and choose your own drivetrains?
Essentially, but the car's designed for a Yamaha. It's designed for a Yamaha drivetrain, so actually it's designed for a GP. So that's the ride plate and everything you use on this. So everything from the jet ski comes out, gets incorporated into the car, including the cluster. It comes with 2 8-inch speakers, GL audio head unit, all that stuff. And,
so what is the displacement horsepower of the motor that you would typically?
1.9 comes with 200 horsepower. They have a 1.8 supercharged, comes with 250. If I modify the 250 horse, we can do anything from a stage 1 all the way up to a stage 4. And on this car particularly, I'd go up to a stage 4. It brings you around 400 horsepower, and this machine will do about 70 miles an hour. It tracks like a Triton in the water.
All right, so Mike, we got a Mercedes here. For those that want a little extra panache, tell me what we got here.
This is supposed to be a replica of the James Bond car, 66 Mercedes. It's naturally aspirated, already has a motor in it, starts and runs. It's got a 1.8 liter, 180 horsepower. It goes about 40 miles an hour. It drives like a jet ski in the water. There's 2 pedals, a gas pedal, a brake pedal, and a steering wheel. It's very easy to drive, very easy to get out there in the water. It's got pop-up cleats on all 4 corners. It's got navigation lights, ready for the water, even at night.
So in the back of this thing, it's all outfitted. Complete drivetrain. Has it been in the water?
Yep, we've had this in the water multiple times.
Sea trialed it.
This is the reverse bucket. So basically, when you put the thing in reverse, it's basically a gas pedal. So there's the left gas pedal and the right gas pedal.
So it just caps it off, shoots the water underneath there.
Yeah, and then basically gets you to reverse. And this is actually a functioning exhaust. Yep.
So you've got water and exhaust coming out of here?
Yep. This is for the bilge. This is actually the pisser that's saying that the
water's
flowing like it should, and this is actually a functioning exhaust. 1.8 liter, super cool car. Again, it's just one of those. This is a painted one. It's a really cool one, and it's for sale for about $30K.
Yep. So that thing even sounds exotic. Right. So it has a little extra throat coming out of those above water exhausts, correct?
Sure does. Water flows through there as well, so you'll see water come out of it.
Mm-hmm. And if you want to come check these out, Lake Murray, South Carolina, Avi-Ski Powersports. Come down here, see my buddy Mike. He'll make you a deal, take you out on the water, and you will be the only one in your neighborhood or on your lake with one of these.
All right.